I'm in Upper Delbrook. This is one of North Vancouver's most coveted communities. We have 503 Crestwood Avenue for sale here. People love this area for its family-oriented nature, close to schools, and all of life's amenities. I'm Elliot Chun at The Partners. Let's go take a look inside.
Look at the streets lit up with us.
It's 4,700 square feet on the inside, 1,700 of which is on this open concept main level. You're gonna love the 3 fireplaces because you've got the dual one right here, dividing up the space on the main level. You're also gonna love the outdoors as well. Excited to show you the rest of this house.
What else could we be but a
You're gonna love the indoor-outdoor space here coming onto your covered deck, composite decking, outdoor kitchen, pizza oven, the big screen TV, or you can take a soak in your hot tub.
yes, these are the good days.
There's 6 bedrooms total here, including a 2-bedroom mortgage helper downstairs, 3 bedrooms up, and a laundry room. I love how each bedroom has its own walk-in closet, ensuite, and this spectacular view of the city and water.